Hi, I'm Samuel. You are getting to CS 1010. The title of this lab is Building Applications Using Flutter, and this experiment is about persistent data storage with SQLite. And now let's pass on to the project. Actually, the project is a mental wellness journal mobile application developed using Flutter. It allows user to create, view, edit, and delete personal journal entries, helping them track their thoughts and emotions for mental wellness. The app stores all data locally using the SQLite database through the SQLite package, which ensures that users' notes remain available even after the app is closed and or restarted. It follows a simple Flutter operations create, read, update, read for managing journal entries. Let's see how the app works. And this is the main dot file, and this is the entry part of the application. And this main of function the function calls an app, which initializes the Flutter app and sets up the home screen. And now the home screen this is the main interface of the app. It displays a list of all journal entries retrieved from the local database. It uses a Flutter builder widget to load the data synchronously from SQLite, which each entry data is shown in a card within a list view. The users can tap an entry to open it for editing and delete an entry using the delete icon on the right. Add a new journal using the floating action button at the bottom. And next one, this is the add edit journal screen dot file. The screen is used for both creating new entries and editing existing ones. It contains a form with two input fields. One is title and the other is content. It uses text form field widget for input with validation checks. When the user saves, the entry is given a timestamp using the Intel package for formatting. If it's a new entry, it is inserted into the database. If it is an existing entry, it is updated. And this is next one is the database helper dot file. This is the this file manages all the database operations using SQLite, and it uses a singleton pattern to ensure only one database interface exists throughout the app. When the app runs for the first time, it creates a table named journals with columns for ID, title, content, and date. It provides methods to insert a new journal, query all journals, update existing journals, create journals by ID. And finally, this is the journal.dot file. This is the data model. It defines the journal class, which represents a single journal entry. Each journal has ID, title, content, and date. Includes two important methods, to map of and from map of. The to map of converts the journal object into a map for database insertion, and from map of converts a map retrieved from the database back into a journal object. And now let's go and see the output of this program. This is basically the UA, and if I click this press button and give a title called "Good Sleep" for this is the title of this journal, and the content I'm going to give is I'm going to just give an example content. Activation of our body, and it also improves our mental health. And now I'm gonna save this. If I save, you can automatically see that good sleep or mental health this journal is updated here. If I click this delete button, it will automatically delete the file which I inserted. If I click another delete also, it will delete the stored files. So this is how this app works, and this is the final output of this exercise. Thank you.